Good night, teacher. My name is Cristian Adrián Contreras Camargo. Chichen Itza. It is located in Mexico. It was built by humans. I am in Mexico, in the city Chichen Itza. We are on vacation with my wife and daughter. In this millet next to the temple Kukulkan is a pyramid. It is made up of square base end, as start to reach the top of the pyramid. Being without fear, surprise, visited beautiful pyramid. And wonderful they wait you at the time. It is very beautiful place. The landscape this common were pleasant. Uralake without its place is its people are very friendly and the place shines a high fins high amazing what Titan Clyde is deserting. Place Putrop Lored spiced furrow narrow forland but that is the bad custom. I am wearing dark blue pants with the black shirt then black tennis shoe.